morning children. My name is Swarupa. I am your new computer teacher. Before going to start the lessons, I will explain about computer. Children, do you know what is a computer? Computer is a smart machine that helps us to do many things. It is an electronic device. Children, do you know what is a machine? Machine is a man-made thing. It helps us, which makes our work very easy. Some machines runs with battery or electricity. All computers run on electricity. For example, fan runs with electricity. Camera runs with battery. All computers run on electricity. Let's discuss the differences between man and a computer. A man can think, write, eat, drink and remember things. But a computer does not have brain like us. A man can do everything but not as fast as computer. Children, do you know who invented the computer? Computer is invented by Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage. Children, our body has many parts like eyes, nose, mouth, teeth, ears, hands, legs. In that same way, computer has 4 main parts. Computer has 4 main parts. First one, CPU. Second one, monitor. Third one, keyboard. Fourth one, mouse. Children, these are the 4 mains of computer. First one is monitor. Second one is CPU. Third one is keyboard. Fourth one is mouse. First one, CPU. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit. It is a brain of computer. It tells other parts what to do on the computer. Next point, monitor. Monitor is called a screen. It looks like a television. It displays what you type on the computer. It displays stories, poems, etc. that you type on the computer. Next part is keyboard. A keyboard has small buttons or called keys. It is used to type letters or numbers on a computer. There are 104 or 107 keys are there in a keyboard. Next point is mouse. A mouse is a pointing device. It is used to move or select an item on the computer screen. It is kept on a mouse pad. This is mouse pad. It is kept on a mouse pad. When we move the mouse, an arrow moves on the screen. This arrow is called mouse pointer. This arrow is called mouse pointer. A mouse has 3 buttons. A mouse has 3 buttons. Left button, right button and scroll bar and scroll wheel and scroll wheel. These are the main parts of computer. Children, where do we use computers? Computers are used at many places like home, schools, offices, banks, railway stations, etc. Computers are used at homes to draw, solve problems, listening music, watching movies, etc. Computers are used at school to make report cards, timetable, test papers, etc. Computers are used at offices to do office work. They used to withdraw money from ATM also. Computers are used at stations, etc. Children, do you understand what is computer? What are the uses of computer? What are the parts of computer? By the next class, I will explain lessons. Thank you.